Hi, a very good morning to all of you. I'm Jesse, the CEO and founder of Detailing Kingdom. This is a video about leather restoration for handbags, and we are in partnership with Style. This is a Chanel Caviar series bag, and maybe the camera could come here to show that the colors have been faded at this side, and also this side. I'm not sure how old this bag is, but in Malaysia, I think when it was launched, it was about, if I'm not wrong, the price was about 17 to 20,000 Malaysian ringgit. Okay, but I don't know if this handbag is being continued with new design, Caviar series or not. I'm not too sure. Okay, so we would like to give a couple of tips for ladies who have handbags. Wash them often, especially in Asia, because we sweat a lot, and our restaurants that you go patronize are a little bit oily in our cooking. A lot of those pan smoke from the pan, oily, so it affects the bag. Okay, and our dressing and so on, our hands with perfume, cream or whatever, so you need to clean it, and also apply the skin serum, which is our skin conditioner. Just to let you know, we have always been advertising, or rather informing our viewers, that we are in cooperation with Style, and Style is one of the biggest chemical company in the world. I think they have 60 factories location in all over the world. Okay, so there's always been a question that's always directed at us, that is, should we or must we use your skin wash, which is the mild leather cleaner? We have also Skin Wash Forte, which is the strong leather cleaner. Must we use your cleaner and your skin conditioner? Wow, now there are out there many leather cleaner and skin conditioner, but we're not saying that they are completely and absolutely not usable. What we are trying to tell you across is that our products are used in most of these factories that manufacture these luxury bags. It's an official product to use, but we don't go trumpeting around and scream around, and Style is just not a company that says, hey, look, they use our skin wash, they use our skin conditioner. No, we don't do that. Okay, we are a commercial company, but we are not that commercialized in our attitude. Okay, so we're not sure about other cleaner, neither are we sure about other conditioners, because our products are factory use, okay, factory approved, and we would advise you to get the appropriate ones when you need them for your lovely and expensive luxury handbags. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to our channel. Right, as we had basically cleaned the old colors out from the surfaces, I'm sure you could see some discoloration on this side as well here. Well, the whole back, okay, the whole back, even right on the inside, we have removed the old colors out so that look at the trims, the color are much lesser now, and we are confident that this is good enough for look. Yep, we remove the color and whatever dirt that is on the back, and we also had mixed the color. The color combination is blue, ochre, white and black, so then we get this blue. Okay, so we're going to apply primer, and after that we're going to put on the color. So it'll be interesting to see how the bag look like when we finish off entirely. But we're just going to show you the videos only on the recoloring side, and after that the complete bag. Okay, so be excited. I'm excited. I hope you will wait patiently for it to finish. Thank you. Hi, welcome to DK Plaza, and thank you for watching this YouTube. We have now finally completed the Chanel bag, the caviar texture, and I got to know that the name of this bag is called Matelasse CC Tote bag. Thank you to my friend Leonard for teaching me this. And the bag apparently is made or manufactured or maybe designed and produced in the year 2006. Okay, wow! So it's more than 10 years, very close to 20 years, and it's so lovely now. It's just the gloss is just right. And every part of the bag now it's now recolored. It's beautiful, and it's perfect. It was the right color. It's been top coat, so should not have any discoloration for quite a number of years. So what is good for a bag like this, a daily bag or even an occasional bag, is rather a good habit to maintain the bag with the right skin conditioner. And today we're going to show you how to apply a skin conditioner onto a bag like this. Okay, so we use the RF5510 from Style. It's an excellent conditioner for texture like this, for leather, and also for composite. It is also extremely useful. So what you can do is from a clean sponge, just pour the conditioner. Yeah, of course, when you buy from us, it will not be in this format. It will be rebottled into our bottle, and there will be instructions and more information that you can read. Okay, so it's actually colorless, but it looks a little bit murky when you pour out. Okay, so just agitate, agitate, put your hand inside and just agitate the surface with the RF 5510. There is no need to blow dry, but it will just dry by itself, and also it is harmless to any chrome or nickel accessories that are on the back. It looks a little bit bright now because of the light, but eventually when it dries off, the texture will be very supple and nice to hold, and it also a very good conditioner to repel dirt, so dirt transfer or any stain, not that it's 100% avoidable, but it does give a protection in that sense. Okay, so look, the part that is not applied and the part that is applied. So look, even as I'm doing this video, it dries quickly over time, but you could see two different texture. This is much more now prominent and the color is much more obvious, and here it has yet to be, but when we apply this, then it will look the same as here. And when you feel it's not greasy, not oily, but rather that the texture is much more supple, and the leather will not be too hardened that it will crack, and so on and so forth. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we hope that you will subscribe our video to get more leather restoration videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.